First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 7 on the topics box arrangement, so now we are going to solve set number 6 arrangement question. So don't directly come and watch this lesson number 7, always learn from lesson number 1. So lesson number 1, introduction about box arrangement, and previously we have solved 5 sets of box arrangement which has easy to medium level arrangements. And then this is set number 6. From this set number 6 to set number 10, we will be solving some of the tough level box arrangement seating puzzle. So this box seating arrangements are most important only if you are preparing for the bank exams like SBI PO, IBBS PO and IBBS clerk or RRB clerk. For every bank exams, so this topics box arrangement are most important. So friends, don't forget to watch all my previous 5 sets. Practice more and more on the basic box arrangements and then start solving these kinds of tough level question. So now let me move on to one of the memory based question that was asked in the bank exam on set number 6. So here is the question. So there are 7 boxes A to G with different colors and kept one above the other. The boxes are different weights. So totally there are 7 boxes. And 7 boxes is of different colors as well as 7 boxes are different weights. So here the box represented by A, B, C, D, E, F and G, but box color is not given. So we have to find which box is which color and we have to find the weight of the box and then we have to find where all these boxes are kept, for which box above which box is kept. We need to find the order also, right? So very interesting, and remember one thing, always be slow while solving these kinds of questions. Don't be very slow, right? Slow and medium level is most important. If you solve the question very fastly, then you will make a mistake. So always try to learn each and every word and carefully, and then take it as a separate note. If you can't able to fix in the arrangement, right, take it as a separate note and try to fix in the arrangement. Definitely you will get the answer. Got it? So first point, there are only 2 boxes are kept between box A and box C. So this is the first point. So between box A and box C, there is a gap of 2 boxes. So what we can do is we can fix box A here, 2 boxes, box C, or else the second possibility C. Understood or not? There are 2 possibles. So between box A and box C, there are 2 boxes. So it can be C at the top or else C can be at the bottom. So 2 possible diagrams. So second, so pink color box is kept below box C. So below box C is pink color box. So this will be pink. So below box C, so this will be pink color box. So next point. So box A is of blue color. So it's a direct statement where box A is of blue color. So similarly box A is of blue color. Understood? So next point is there is only one box kept between a pink color box and a black color box. So what they are saying is between pink and black there is a gap of 1 box, right? So in this possible diagram, so here I have fixed pink. So this can be black. One possible I am saying, right? This can be black or else this can be black. Understood or not? In the first possible diagram, we are getting 2 possibles, right? So between pink and black, there should be gap of 1 box. We already fixed pink. So this can be one possible or else this can be one possible. So when we move on to the second possible diagram, so between pink and black, there should be gap of 1 box. So definitely I can't able to fix black here. So only one chance that I should fix black here. So when you look at the 2 possible diagrams, so between pink and black, there is a gap of 1 box. Understood? For the first possible diagram, we are getting 2 possible. For the second possible diagram, we are getting only 1 possible, right? So next point is, so be slow, right? So next point is what? There are, okay, so the blue color box is kept above the black color box. So what they are saying is, the blue color box is kept above the black color box. But in this possible diagram 2, where the black color box is above the blue color box. Understood or not, right? So if we keep in this order, this possible diagram where black color box is at the top, blue color is at the bottom. But according to the question, what they are saying is blue color box should be top when compared to the black. So this possible diagram is completely wrong. So here you can able to see in this first possible diagram where the black color box is kept below the blue color box. Yes or no? So this possible diagram is correct. So we have erased the possible diagram 2. It is wrong. Why? Because black color box is above the blue color. But according to the question, what they are saying is the blue color box is kept above the black color. So above the black color, blue color should be there. So only we remove the second possible diagram. So next point is only 2 boxes are lighter than blue. So only 2 boxes are lighter than blue. Here they are talking about the order of the box, right? So which box is kept above or below. But now in this point they are talking about lighter and heavier. It is completely different. So we have to find 2 scenarios, right? The second scenario is heaviest to the lightest. So here how many boxes are there? 7 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Understood or not? Totally there are 7 boxes. This will be the heaviest box and this will be the lightest box. So I have just drawn like this, which measures that. So this will be the heaviest and this will be the lightest. Understood or not? So according to the question, where the blue color box, right? So the blue color box is kept above the black color box. Only 2 boxes are lighter than blue. So definitely I should fix blue here. So only then we can say that only 2 boxes are lighter than blue. So next point is only 3 boxes are kept between red color and the black color box. So between red and the black color there are 3 boxes. Just see here, we already know that black should be placed here or black should be placed here. But now according to the question, between red and black there should be gap of 3 boxes. If I fix black, example I am saying, if I fix black here, 1, 2, 3, this should be red. Or else, if I fix black here, 1, 2, 3, this should be red. So only chance that this is the place for black or red, and similarly this is the place for black or red. Only one chance, right? Because between black and red there should be gap of 3 boxes. So already we know that either black should be placed here or black should be placed here. So if I fix black, this will be red. If I fix this place as black, this will be red. Right? So next point. So the white color box is heavier than red color box but just lighter than black color box. I think we can completely leave this lighter, heavier, extra. First we can fix all these, which color box is which, right? And then we can go on to the lighter and heaviest. So better leave that point. So next point, the pink color box is just lighter than red color box. Leave that point also. The black color box is not the heaviest. Leave it. Only 2 boxes are between box F and red color. Just see, only 2 boxes are between F and red color. So if I fix red here, example I am saying, if I fix red here, 1 and 2, this should be F. But it is not possible. Why? Because already we have fixed C. So only chance that I should fix red here. So between red and F, there should be gap of 2 boxes. So 1 and 2, so this should be F. So if this is red, then this should be black. So finally we have fixed red and black. So according to the point, between red and F there should be gap of 2. So next point is, so box F is lighter than box E. And this is also not needed. Why? Because it is lightest and heaviest, which is kept immediately below box F. So below box F is box E. We already fixed F here. So below box F will be box E. So we can say that E will be black. So black color box is just lighter than box D. Leave that point. Only 1 box is kept between E and the box B. So between E and B there are only 1 boxes. We already fixed E here. So this will be B. So next point. Box G is kept immediately below green color box. So box G is kept below immediately green color box. So if I fix G here, this cannot be green. Why? Because already A is blue. So definitely this will be G and this will be green, right? Because immediately below green it should be G box, right? So I think this is the only way where box G is kept immediately below green. So below green is box G. So next point, one of the boxes is of yellow color, right? So one of the boxes of yellow color, I think C and F is remaining. So white color box is kept immediately above the pink color box. So immediately above it will be pink color box. So immediately above pink will be, this will be white, right? And they have, according to the point, one box is of yellow color. So I think F is remaining. So this will be yellow. And what is the another letter remaining? A, B, C, D is remaining. So D will be green. So finally we can say that this will be the arrangement where the topmost box, right? Topmost box is blue and the bottommost box is black, and all the remaining boxes are placed like this in this order, right? So now we found the answer for one category of one category of answer. Why? Because we have to still find which box is heaviest and which box is lightest. We didn't touch this area, but only one point we have we have fixed in the clue, that is where only two boxes are lighter than blue. So we have fixed blue here, only two boxes are lighter than blue, because totally we have 7 boxes. So out of 7, only 2 boxes are lighter than blue. So now we have missed some of the points, right, while reading the passage, which is based on heavier and lighter. We can read again and now we can fix it. So we know that only one box is blue. So blue color is what? A. So this will be box A. So now what are all the points that we missed? Only 2 boxes lighter than blue. And then the white color box is heavier than red color box, right? So white color box is what? C. So C is heavier than red color. So C is heavier than red color, then C will be heavier than red color. Got it? So, but just lighter than black color. So the C is lighter than black color. So if C is lighter than black color, black is what? E. So E should be fixed here. Understood or not? So E, C and G. So what are all the remaining points that we have is the pink color box. So pink color is what? B. Right? The pink color box is just lighter than red color box. So red color box is what? G. So pink color box is just lighter than red color box. Okay. So G will be heavier than B. Okay. So fixed, we have fixed blue here. Still some of the letters are remaining, right? So next point, the black color box is not the heaviest. So here the black is E. So black color box is not the heaviest. So if E is not the heaviest, then E should not be placed at the first. So I think I should place E here, C here. We don't know what about G and B. Okay, so let me move on to the next remaining points. So black color box is not the heaviest box. Box F is lighter than box E, right? So the box F is lighter than box E. Okay, so box F is lighter than box E. So next point is black color box is just lighter than box D. So black color box is what? E. Is just lighter than box D. We know that E is not the heaviest. So if E is not the heaviest, now according to this point, where the box D is heavier than box E, then definitely I should fix box D here. So remaining will be E. So remaining will be C here. And we don't know what about G and B. If I fix G, B is not possible. We know that E is heavier than F. So E is heavier than F. I should fix F here. So G and B is remaining. So this will be G and B. I think that's it, right? So box, one of the boxes of yellow color, the immediate box, one box is kept boxy immediately black. So black color box is just lighter than box D. So black color box, I think, yes. So finally we have fixed the arrangement, right? So this will be the answer. This is the heaviest box, right? So heaviest will be here and this will be the lightest box. And here in this category, one answer where the topmost box is blue and the bottommost box is black. Got it? So this will be the answer for the arrangement question that we solved on set number 6. So very interesting arrangement and very difficult arrangement too. And here I didn't solve the question fastly, right? I have just slowly read each and every points carefully. I have drawn the possible diagram and then after some time I have deleted the second possible diagram because it does not fit on the arrangement. So on the first possible diagram is correct. From the first possible diagram, I have started fixing the remaining clues and we got the answer here. So after getting the answer and then finally I move on to the heaviest and lightest. Why I didn't solve simultaneously? Because if I solve simultaneously, I will make more and more mistake. Why? Because see here the letter B is there, right? But there is a color called black. So we confuse, right, whether I have written black or B. So most of the students will make a mistake. They think that this is black, but actually this is B, right? Letter B, pink. So these are the stuff we always do in the exams. So practice more and more number of questions. That is more important. So and below that they have asked 5 questions like, so how many boxes are above box B? So how many boxes are there above box B? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 boxes are there above B. And then which of the box is the lightest box? So this is the heaviest and this is the lightest. So lightest box is box B. So how many box are heavier than box C? So how many box are heavier than box C? So heavier than, there are 2 boxes which are heavier than box C, and there are 4 boxes which are lighter than box C. So I hope we can solve the remaining 5 to 6 questions easily once you get the answer for this question. So that's it, friends. So thank you so much for watching this video. Again, practice is more important. So practice more and more number of questions that is based on the box arrangement if you are going for the bank exams. So thank you so much for watching this. And if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the bank exams. So thank you so much. Bye.